In this particular video, we are going to talk about COSMOconf. COSMOconf, that is another module within Cosmo suite. So this COSMOconf is specifically used to generate different conformers of a specific molecule. We know the importance of generation of different conformers. When we go for process like docking or calculation of binding free energy, we often go for minimizing the structure or creation of different conformers and selecting the one which is most stable or having the least energy. So not only in the drug discovery, when we talk about studies related to the formulation, we know that different conformers can have different solubility within the same solvent. So this COSMOconf help us to generate the conformers or the different conformers for a particular molecule. The good thing about this particular software is when we go for generation of conformers, specifically the technique what we use or the type of calculation what we use is based on molecular mechanics based approach. But specifically when we are generating conformer using COSMOconf, we generate those conformers using quantum mechanics based approach. So in this video, we are going to see that how this software works, and this lecture is going to be carried out. So as you can see, this is the graphical user interface of COSMOconf. So in this particular software, if we want it and we build some molecule and we wanted to import that particular molecule, so it supports various formats ranging from STF to .mol to .mol to .pdb. So almost every single format it supports. If I wanted to build some molecule, that is also possible within this particular software. So if I'll come up here and I'll show you this window, and let's try to get a certain molecule. Let's go for a specific amino acid residue and let's select alanine. So this particular molecule can be visible here. Now if I wanted to run, so if I wanted to define the charge and if I have that information, of course we can do so, but let's now keep it as default. If I wanted to generate the job definition file, so here is COSMOtherm. So COSMOtherm, we have different level of theories and different basis set, so which we can select. So all these different level of theories and different basis set, if you wanted to know more, you can visit Cisco Informatics. So there has been few of the lectures which is presented out on these basis set and level of theories. And when you will go, so we have like different, so let's go for using a lower level basis set and split valence polarized, what we are going to use up here. So let's go for defining the CPU. I'll just define 2, and we want it to run the job locally. So we will start with it, and it's not that much of a bigger molecule. So let it run. So I have already ran one of the calculation which I wanted to show you to guys, that how it will look like once the calculation has been finished up. So as you can see, so this is in the Cosmo phase and this is in the gas phase. So let's go to the gas phase and we can see the type energy for each of the one, the energy in kilocalorie per mole. And we can see the different conformers according to the energy it has been listed out from lower to higher. And we can see the charge as we have not defined the charge here. And the best conformer, if we want, we can save result of this particular set. We can save a particular conformer and we can use it either for the solvation chemistry based calculation in COSMOtherm, or we can use it for drug discovery as well, as I've told it to you that it supports multiple formats. So our data or the result has been completed. So we can see there is this file, that is job definition file. And if I'll come up here, you can see the different conformers which has been generated. So total 6 conformers has been generated. and we can see the lowest energy conformer, that is 0, which is having which is the most stable one. And downside, if we will go, we can see the conformer with the highest energy or the least stable. So we can select this conformer. We can use it for the process like docking. We can use it for the formulation based calculation, which we can do in COSMOconf, etc. So in next video, we will go a little bit of more detail about this particular software and try to understand. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe.